Hi ladies, Aaliyah Martinez here with Elegant Faces doing a daytime easy look using Dinair Airbrush Cosmetics. Here are a few of the items that I will be featuring in this video, and I'll be sure to post links below. First on deck is using Glamour Vanilla Eyeshadow for my brow bone color. So I'm just going to take my time and build up this color slowly. So if you ladies don't already follow me on YouTube here at Elegant Faces, you can easily find me on Instagram at Elegant Faces, Twitter at Elegant Faces, and also I have a page on Facebook, Elegant Faces. Next up, I'll be using Glamour Cocoa, and I'm going to use this color for my crease color. And I'm just going to take my time and build that color up to the desired brown transition color for today's tutorial. And then quickly afterwards, I'm going to do a color change because I'm going to a lighter color. So I'm going to be using Dinair's Citrus Cleaner along with their portable pot, which is fantastic if you guys haven't tried that. Great for location. I also use it at home myself, so it is fantastic. Going to be using light coral on my lower lid. So I actually have a lot of lid space, so you'll see me just stretching the skin a little bit to get in those corners, as well as raising my eyebrow to get all of the lid color. Next up is Dinair's dark brown, and I'm going to use dark brown along with Dinair's Shadow Shield to get those sharp, crisp edges that I like. And back in the day we used to use tape. Well, I guess some people still use tape, but this is so much better for your skin. And if you spray that shield, it actually will recreate overspray, so you get a really blended soft edge, which I love. And then I'm going to take that same shadow shield and I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line. I love the shield because I use it as a guide, and I'm spraying the stencil to create that overspray, which gives me a soft, smoky under eye. Next on deck is my Dinair Jet Black, which I'm going to be doing air liner. So I'm done at the best at this, although I've been doing airbrush for a little while. I have been getting better. So girls, if I can do it, you can do it too. Just take your time and do it slow. Next, I'll be using my Dinair Cat Eye Stencil. Super cute, super fun to use if you like that cat eye look that's very, very popular. So with this stencil, it has a thin cat eye, a medium cat eye, a thick cat eye. So if you don't have this stencil, you should really get it. It's really fun to play around with. Next, dark smoke, which I'm going to use with Dinair's Eyebrow Stencil set. Love this set. It comes with 3 different sizes. A small, thinner brow, medium brow, and then a thick brow. So I am using that middle stencil, which they are labeled A, B, and C. Love these stencils. They're see-through, really easy to use, and they are perfect for getting precise placement on yourself or your customers. Next, I'll be doing and using my custom blend Dinair Glamour Line Foundation. I use 2 colors. I use Golden Olive and Nutmeg. So I use 6 drops of Golden Olive and I use 2 drops of Nutmeg to give me that nice, natural, sheer finish. Next up is my dark almond, which I'm going to be using to contour my face today. And love dark almond because it's a couple shades darker than my natural skin tone, and it blends in seamlessly. as I contour my cheekbones. Then I'm going to do my neckline. I also tone down my forehead, and I like to chisel my nose a bit. Next up is Dinair's Dark Peach Pink, which I'm going to be using for my blush color. And this color is really deceiving. Beautiful color. It looks like it's going to be a really bright, pinky, orangey color in the bottle, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Gives you that sun-kissed look on your cheeks. Love, love, love this color. If you haven't tried this color, you have to try it. And it's great on all skin colors. Next up, Dinair's Rose Gold. So I'll be using this Rose Gold on top of my blush color as a highlighter, and I'm also going to use it on my lips. I'm also going to use it on the top of my nose. I just love this color, and I use it for so many different things. I use it on my décolleté if I want to dust it on my shoulders, if I'm wearing a strapless dress or a strapless blouse. It is fantastic. Very subdued pop of color. Just looks really classy and elegant. All right, ladies, I'm going to be wrapping this look up really soon. So I'm going to post the links below to all the items that I used. I also have a Lilly lash coupon. I love these lashes. So feel free to take advantage of that, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Hope this video was helpful and that you will try it. Make sure to tag me in it, and girls, stay beautiful every day.